Assalamualaikum and welcome to the Ramzan Baitak at Studio 13. We have with us one of the foremost filmmakers of Pakistan, a storyteller and an entrepreneur, Asadul Haq.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum, how are you?
बस ठीक ठाक. How are you?
I'm well. How are you enjoying the event?
I had fun यार. मैं तो वो भी खेला था, रूह अफ़ज़ा पोंग.
Did you win?
No.
Nobody wins. In Roof Zapong.
I think उसका setting ऐसी हुई है.
Yeah, it's rigged.
Yeah.
Acha. So because this is a Ramzan sort of event, Ramzan themed event, I have a question on what is your take as a filmmaker? What is your take on Ramzan? Like, what kind of videos, what kind of films have you made for Ramzan, and what's your take on it?
Yeah, the thing is, we've been shooting Ramzan ads for the longest time. Ramzan की जो Allpus की campaigns हैं, Ramzan वाली, I've shot those. National Foods shot those. Ramzan की. Ramzan was never that big advertising के point of view से, but I think it has grown, tremendously in last 10 years. और पैकेजिंग के ऊपर रमज़ान आना शुरू हो गया है. दे डू स्पेशल एड्स. ऑलपर्स यूज्ड टू बी दी ओनली ब्रांड जो उस ज़माने में रमज़ान पे काम करता था, एंड आई थिंक कोक यूज्ड टू बी द ओनली ब्रांड. नाउ तो
Is it because people also realize, oh, this is a great thing to capitalize on? And
और कैप्टिव ऑडियंस है ना.
Captive audience है. It's an emotional time. It's a visual
और वो एक
opportunity.
Because the thing is, right before क्या कहते हैं the अफ्तार, the transmissions are huge with ads. और वो सबके लिए कैप्टिव ऑडियंस है, सब ऐड के वेट कर रहे होते हैं रमज़ान का और अज़ान का वेट कर रहे होते हैं. उस टाइम तुम अगर एड्स देखो, लुक एट द प्राइसिंग एंड दे डू स्पेशल एड्स फॉर दैट. एंड इवन पैकेजिंग यार, आई मीन पैकेजिंग आई डोंट थिंक किसी की रमज़ान की होती थी, सब आए ऑलपर्स कुछ काम करता था. बट नाउ तो एवरी ब्रांड डज
lanterns everywhere.
हाँ. एंड रमदान करीम.
Ramadan Kareem, of course.
It used to be Ramzan, but Allpus started the Ramadan thing, and then
it really stuck. And now, not long before we all start greeting each other with Ramadan Kareem also.
हाँ, आ जाएगा, वो भी आ जाएगा.
So I have a question. I just noticed your tattoos.
Quite a lot.
Do they mean anything?
Everything.
Like,
all the tattoos. किसी से भी पूछोगे.
Oh, they all have some.
Yeah. Whoever you ask, I mean, जिसके भी tattoo है, they all have a meaning behind it.
So how important is personal style to you?
Very, very. I believe in it.
You do.
हाँ, because देखो, the thing is कि what I believe is कि we are all individuals. ठीक है. Then if you let go of who you are, your personality, then you are a Me Too. ठीक है. Then you get a Me Too की भी copy. So you start losing yourself. ठीक है. I am who I am, and it's not because this is how I'm supposed to be. This is how I have kind of evolved. Slowly and gradually gotten into things which are slightly darker on design wise. Okay? But that doesn't mean that I don't enjoy other things. But the thing is that slowly and gradually you get into your comfort zone and you start playing with that. अब ये जो tattoos हैं, I started 20 years ago, but वो इतने बढ़ गए हैं कि they just been expanding, and they will keep on expanding. But that's who I am.
And it's a chance you took, right? I mean, the first tattoo must have, you must have sort of.
My mother was ready to kill me for that, but
yeah, this is
even my wife.
Makes sense. So I mean, how important is like taking those kinds of chances?
You have to. Otherwise, you lose yourself, na. Abhi bhi, when I was talking to the team over there, I was just talking to them कि the brand managers you see in your boardrooms and all, they are stuck in a certain way. ठीक है. उन सब का वही है कि वीकेंड पे जो हस्बैंड है वो चीनोस पहनेगा और उसने लाइट ब्लू रंग की शर्ट पहनी हुई होगी जो टक्ड इन होगी और मैचिंग बेल्ट होगी. व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम यू डिड दैट ऑन योर सैटरडे? नो. प्रॉब्ली अगर स्कूल टीचर मीटिंग होगी तो मे बी यू विल डू दैट, अदरवाइज यू वोंट डू दैट. वरना यू वोंट. बट द थिंग इज, आप सारे एड्स उठा के देख लो, सब में वही चीनोस नज़र आएंगे, सब में वही ब्लू शर्ट नज़र आएगी. वाई? Why can't he could be like this or he could be dressed like this to pick up
whose agenda is that? I mean, whose idea is that?
Brand manager.
Whose idea of a perfect couple or perfect family is that?
ऊपर कहीं से बना हुआ and it's just been watered down. That's what I'm saying now.
Yeah.
Even if you look at them, you'll be like, you don't dress up like that, then why are you asking me to dress him up
Where
like
is this
that?
coming from?
Yeah, it's just...
I think and then they forgot to sort of question it.
That's what I'm saying. Brand colors in a wardrobe. Why is it so important here? But brand recall आएगी. क्या रिकॉल है?
Yeah, I mean, it's not an exact science, is it?
नो अब नहीं है. एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स बीन प्रूवन कि ब्रांड कलर्स की अगर दुपट्टा पहना हुआ होगा और वो कढ़ाई हुई भी होगी तो यू गोना गेट मोर रिकॉल. आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई माइट बी रॉन्ग बट आई डोंट थिंक सो. 50s में हो सकता है, 50s में टेस्ट किया होगा तो तब आई होगी, तब एक ही चैनल होती थी.
Right.
अब तो कहाँ है?
So we don't question things.
And you have to. So we don't question things. We have forgotten that we are all individuals. We come from different backgrounds. We've been through different things. You know, all this where I am or where you are is all who you are. ठीक है? I mean, why are you wearing
I'm
sunglasses?
trying out these yellow.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ.
These are
Why?
reading glasses. These are reading glasses.
So मैंने कहा, why are you wearing those?
Yeah.
You know, so
I'm trying
that's
to assert my. Yeah.
so that's
individuality. Yes.
so that's who you are, and most people don't get it. You know, ring. I mean, we are both wearing rings. We are both. So this is my wedding band.
Okay.
The 2 skulls. Yeah. So that's who I am. ठीक है, वो तुम्हारा अगर ये wedding band है या नहीं है, ये client को problem हो जाएगी. इसने जी ring पहनी हुई, इसकी ring उतार दें.
Right.
अभी I was shooting a musician, a huge musician, playing piano. ठीक है, huge musician. ठीक है, और उसके हाथ में 4 rings थी. And to shoot a close up of him playing piano, इसकी rings उतार दें. मैंने कहा इतना बड़ा स्टार है और ये रिंग्स पहनता है, तो वाई डू यू वांट टू टेक देम ऑफ? नहीं, वो ब्रांड के साथ नहीं जाएगी बात. यू टेक द रिंग्स ऑफ. यू पेइंग हिम फॉर हु ही इज एंड यू गेटिंग द रिंग्स ऑफ.
How ironic.
That's who we are.
And I want to just slide this question in because this is a very important question. Have we like tapped film potential in Pakistan? Like,
No.
Like and why not? And what can we do about it?
यार film, the thing is कि एक तो film is a very individual thing right now. ठीक है, I made a film in 2016-17. It was me. ठीक है, me doing everything. ठीक है, the setups are not there, government support is not there, cinemas are not there. ठीक है, क्या कहते हैं, वो पूरा ecosystem ही नहीं है. अभी तक film becomes a chore and a half. आप सिर्फ क्रिएट नहीं कर रहे, उसके बाकी जो पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं उस पर भी आपको काम करना पड़ता है. मार्केटिंग यू विल हैव टू लुक इनटू योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, उसकी एग्जीबिशन से बात करने की आपको खुद पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सिनेमाज नहीं है. ठीक है, हाउ विल यू मोनेटाइज, व्हाट विल हैपन, पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, पैसे आपको खुद लगाने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, कुछ है ही नहीं.
The whole ecosystem is compromised.
है ही नहीं. It was never there. सारी इंडिविजुअल फिल्में बन रही थी. गवर्नमेंट was never supporting you. You know,
that's still the case.
Still the case. इट्स ऑल इंडिविजुअल. वो अभी जो ये आई हुई है नीलोफर है, गवर्नमेंट ने क्या काम किया होगा उसके ऊपर? कुछ भी नहीं. नथिंग. आई थिंक इट्स ऑल इंडिविजुअल, इट्स ऑल इंडी बेस्ड. So it's their money, their thing. I'm quite sure they would have gotten some help in securing locations, but more than that, no.
Do you foresee like a brand swooping in and sort of helping this ecosystem, like
Yeah, it's not
like Coke Studio, for example, for music?
I don't think it's one brand's thing. I think what needs to happen is you have to have a dialogue. You have to have some kind of a policy. State needs to get involved, but हमारी state पहले ही कुछ नहीं कर रही है, तो इसमें क्या करेगी? You know, there has to be a complete ecosystem कि यार फाइनेंसिंग कैसे होगी, लोन मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे. The gear we use, Veeran Studios here in Karachi, it's all privately owned. The land which I have is privately owned. So I didn't get any क्या कहते हैं उसके ऊपर
grants.
पर. I've started a film school. अब यही मैं तुम्हें बता दूँ. Started a film school 2 years ago. ठीक है. और इट्स क्या कहते हैं सेक्शन 42 कंपनी, सो नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट. आई हैव गॉटन द सर्टिफिकेट. जो सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज हैं 3 महीने से मैं उनसे अप्रूवल ले रहा हूँ.
दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम.
दे हैव अ बिकॉज NGOs वर्ल्ड पाकिस्तान के अंदर दे प्लेड सम डर्टी स्टफ ऑल्सो. So now you have to go to 20 individuals agencies which will give you the security clearance to open a section 42 company. So I have the certificate from क्या कहते हैं SECP. ठीक है, सब कुछ हुआ हुआ है. सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज ने मुझे वो देना है. एंड इट्स नॉट वन विंडो ऑपरेशन. इट विल गो टू 20 डिफरेंट विंडोज टू कम बैक टू मी. और अभी तो कोई सेकंड विंडो पे है और वहाँ पे भी.
And you're trying to do something, and you're trying to
help the youngsters.
Yes.
The storyteller is, it's my property, it's my money, I have established it with, you know, I've got a great board who's helping me with everything. They're all legit people. And I still have to get government say 20 approvals. So I can't get any money.
So no wonder this
it's a not for profit. ठीक है, I can't ask for funds because I don't have the certificate, and I'm just sitting on it for 2 years.
One last question. I
Yeah,
know you have
yeah,
to run.
yeah.
How has the short form video platforms, how have they sort of affected filmmaking, the way we shoot videos, etc.?
यार आई थिंक शॉर्ट फॉर्म ने बहुत आगे जाना है, ठीक है. आई थिंक it's just emerging right now. It has not reached its potential. It's still because of platforms नहीं है, ठीक है. But I think that's the way to go. Like at the film school, that's what we're teaching. We're teaching 10-minute, 8-minute stories. We're not teaching full feature films because I don't believe कि उसकी जगह है इस वक्त. You need to be a storyteller with a small story to tell, and then you need to have platforms helping you out with that, because that's where the market is. I mean, look at the TikTok पे vertical dramas here.
Yeah.
I mean, that's where you need to go यार. उस पे भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है.
On that high note, thank you so much.
Thank
It's a
you, yaar.
pleasure
Thank you,
meeting
thank you, thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye bye.